Tell us a little bit about what brought you to this retreat.
I was actually looking for connection, some more female bonding. I don't really have a lot of that, so I was kind of looking for some more connection.
Well, tell us what you received from the event.
There are other women out there like me, so I guess that's the main thing for me, is there are other women like me.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Is there anything that you would like to tell a fellow female veteran who's considering coming to the event?
Come. Just come. Come experience it. You're going to experience things here that you wouldn't expect to experience. You're going to have things happen here that you wouldn't expect to happen, and you're going to be amazed by what you experience and what happens here. So, and I'm not going to give anything away because that would be, cheating for you. It's an experience like no other. It really is.
All right. What was your favorite part of the event?
Honestly, even though it was a little delayed last night, I think that healing ceremony last night.
Oh yeah,
that was such a powerful thing. Such a powerful thing, the healing ceremony.
All right. Well, thank you, Angela, for this, and we will see you next year.
I definitely will be back next year.
All right.